Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve this quadratic equation x squared plus 3x minus 28 is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So we can solve this by factorization method. So in factorization method, we have to write two numbers such that whose sum is positive 3x and whose multiplication is negative 28. So what can be the number? It can be 7x and 4x, negative 4x, and 7x times 7 times 4 is 28, negative 4. So we can write this 3x as positive 7x, negative 4x, negative 28 is equals to 0. Now, I am going to factor it. So, I am going to take x as common from first two terms. So, what is left? X plus 7. And if I'll take negative 4 as common, x plus 7 is equals to 0. Now, the bracket x plus 7 is common. So, what is left? X minus 4 is equals to 0. So these are the two factors. Now to find out the solution, put the factor is equals to 0. So if x plus 7 is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 7 and x minus 4 is equals to 0, x is equals to 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down. Thank you so much for watching this video.